Welcome to the Commvault channel. In this video we will discuss how to create a shared tape library, and discuss about drive pools. Please like, share, comment or suggest. Subscribe for more videos, and you can follow us on Instagram. In our previous video, we discussed tape library shortcut menu, and media and library operations. This is the IBM tape library we configured in our previous video, and in this video, we will share this tape library with another media agent. As per the prerequisites, ensure the medium changer and the tape drives are zoned to other media agent, on which you wish to configure them. Also, ensure to install appropriate IBM tape drivers for the tape drive smooth functionality. Once all prerequisites completed, configure the tape library in Commvault. From Storage menu, select Expert Storage Configuration. Select Media Agents window. Select the media agent for which you wish to configure the tape library. Please note, when you are adding a new media agent to the existing tape library configuration, do select the library controller media agent as well. Ideally, for a physical tape library it is not a must, but if it is a virtual tape library then it is essential. Once done, click OK. Click OK on the information pop-up window. This is the tape library. As you see, it is not shared. There is one library controller configured. This is the master drive pool. This is the drive pool configured for this media agent, with this drive pool ID. Let's detect devices on the other media agent. Click Start. Select Detect, Configure Devices. Select Defaults in the Detect Library window, and click OK. Click OK on the information pop-up window. As discussed in our other video, this log window is very much useful for troubleshooting purposes. Tape library is already configured on this media agent, so we see 2 libraries and 8 drives attached to it. On the new media agent, we see 1 library with 4 tape drives, as seen on the operating system level. Once done, click Close. The yellow-red question mark says there are new devices seen on them. Expand Library. Expand Library Controller. Here we see the new media agent listed, showing as detected but not configured. The same is for the tape drives listed here. Let's configure the library to the media agent, but we do it from the Data Paths tab. Right-click on the newly discovered library controller. We can either select Configure, or select Create Failover Library Controller. When you select Create Failover Library Controller, both the media agents share the same 4 drives, using Dynamic Drive Sharing, DDS. Using Dynamic Drive Sharing, all the libraries and drives available in the SAN can be shared by the media agents that have access to the SAN. In the event of a failure in the media agent controlling the media changer, the software automatically switches the active library controller to the failover library controller candidates that share a library in the SAN environment. The media agent automatically switches an active library controller to the next available failover library controller candidate when these events occur. For this video, select only Configure. In the configuration window, select Library Only to configure only library controller. Library controller is successfully configured. Expand Master Pool. If you notice, each media agent has a drive pool, which is grouped under one master drive pool for the library. The media changer can be controlled by some or all media agents, if they are configured as failover library controller candidates. It means we can configure only the drive pool, and leave the library controller unconfigured for this media agent. In this case the library controller will be this one, but the other media agent is just user, and has to request tape mounts via the active library controller. Expand the drive pool showing as not configured. We see all the 4 tape drives, listed as detected but not configured. Right-click on the drive pool. As discussed, you can create dynamic drive sharing, DDS, drive pool. Select Configure. In the configuration window, select Drive Pool and all drives, and click OK. Library and drive pool are successfully configured for the media agent. Just to let you know, if you face issues with shared tape drives detection, or facing issues with stuck SCSI reservation, check if Removable Storage Management (RSM) service is enabled, and if it's causing issues, then stop and disable it. For Windows 2000 it has to be disabled, because data corruption occurs if both RSM and media agent running on any machine in the SAN access the same drive at the same time. Let's exit the Expert Storage configuration window. Expand media agents. Expand the media agent to which we just shared the tape library. Expand the tape library. Here you see the configured drive pool and the tape drives. Let's check the same on the other media agent. If you notice, each drive pool has a unique number. This number is very much useful for configuration and troubleshooting purposes. Let's review the library master pool. On the master pool, you will not be able to see the drive pools, as you see under media agent. If you notice, the library is shown as shared now. Right-click on the master pool. Select Properties. Master Drive Pool Properties. General tab. Master Drive Pool Name is the name of the master drive pool. If you wish to rename the master drive pool, type the new name in this field. Library is the name of the library to which the master drive pool is attached. Number of drives is the number of drives available in the master drive pool. Number of offline drives is the number of drives in the master drive pool that are currently offline. Number of reserved drives is the number of drives that are currently used in the master drive pool. Enable master drive pool. Use this option to activate the master drive pool. Clear this option to deactivate the master drive pool. Description. Use this space to record relevant information about the master drive pool. Drive allocation policy. This section helps to distribute the drives among multiple drive pools sharing the library. Use all drives. Assigns all the drives in the master drive pool to the drive pools. Allocate number of drives. Use this option to assign the maximum number of drives that can be used by each drive pool in this master drive pool at any given time. Drive Pools tab. Associated drive pools lists the drive pools associated with the master drive pool. Drive pool is the name of the drive pool. Media agent is the media agent associated with the drive pool. Enabled is the status of drive pool. If you encounter issues with tape drives belonging to a particular drive pool assigned to a media agent, and if you want only the drive pool to be taken offline, then you can use this window, but ensure you remember it and enable it back once the issues are resolved. Detail helps to view the properties of the selected drive pool. Drive Pool Properties. General tab. Drive Pool Name is the name of the drive pool. If you wish to rename the drive pool, type the new name in this field. Drive Pool Type identifies whether the drive pool belongs to regular, SAN or NAS setup. Enable Drive Pool. Use the option to activate the drive pool, or clear this option to deactivate the drive pool. Product Info. Library, the name of the library to which the drive pool is attached. Media Agent is the name of the media agent that controls the drive pool. Drive Allocation Policy. Use all drives. Select to assign all the drives in the library to this drive pool. Allocate number of drives. Select to assign a specific number of drives in the library to this drive pool. Once done, click OK or Cancel. On this window, click OK or cancel. We will end this video here. In our next video we will discuss more on the drive pools, and how to split drives between them. Do subscribe to our channel if not already done so. Do subscribe for more videos.